In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Chrome extensions using Google Admin Console. To follow along, you'll need access to the Admin Console with the right privileges. Sign into your organization's Admin Console, then on the home page, open Devices. This is where Chrome management lives for your users and managed browsers. Inside Devices, select Chrome and then open Apps and Extensions. We'll be working in users and browsers, which lets you control what people see in Chrome based on organizational units. Before you add anything, glance at the organizational unit list on the left and pick the group you want to manage. Targeting the right group keeps changes scoped to the people you intend. Next, hover over the plus button and choose Add from Chrome Web Store. In the storefront, click Extensions so you're focusing on Chrome extensions rather than apps or themes. You can browse categories like productivity or lifestyle to discover options, but many admins go straight to search. Use the search box at the top, type the exact name, and look for the verified listing from the publisher. When you find what you need, click the extension to open its details page and review the description, ratings, and requested permissions. When you're confident, click Select. The extension is now added for the organizational unit you chose, and Chrome will begin making it available to those users. Policy rollout can take a few minutes, so give it some time. If users don't see it right away, have them relaunch Chrome and confirm they're signed into Chrome with their managed account so policies apply. Test on a small pilot group before rolling out broadly. Stick to trusted developers and review permissions after updates. If it doesn't appear, check the target organizational unit and confirm Chrome browser management is enabled. And that's the process. You open Devices in the Admin Console, went into Chrome, navigated to Apps and Extensions for users and browsers, searched the Chrome Web Store, and selected the extension you wanted. With these steps, you can deploy the tools your teams need while keeping control in one central place. Thanks for watching, and feel free to pause and replay as you configure this in your own environment.